Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I'm going to show you 10 recent Bitcoin price predictions from experts. And hopefully this can encourage you because they're mostly bullish. They're mostly confident about Bitcoin. And so perhaps if you bought Bitcoin at the wrong time or not at the best price, maybe this can give you some confidence, some encouragement so you don't sell your holdings at the worst possible time. All right, and by the way, if you'd like to help support my YouTube channel so I can continue to bring these educational videos to you, feel free to, and this won't cost you anything, it only takes a couple seconds of your time. If you see me put out a promotional or sponsored video, such as an ICO review or investing opportunity, or maybe a small cap stock promotional video, feel free to click on that and give it a thumbs up, and that way you can support my channel and help to pay for it. I really appreciate that. All right, so 10 recent Bitcoin price predictions. First one is from Tom Lee from FundStrat, is predicting almost $25,000 per Bitcoin by the end of 2018. Not too bad. And $125,000 by 2022. I like the sound of that. Here's a really bullish prediction from John McAfee, or McAfee, I should say, $1 million by the end of 2020. That's pretty bullish, right? Very confident on Bitcoin. The next one is from Trefis, a financial analytics firm, predicting $12,500 by the end of 2018. So that's a little bit more subdued, but still bullish compared to where we are at right now. Here's the one bearish prediction, just to bring a little bit of balance to this. Kenneth Rogoff, Harvard professor and former chief economist at the IMF, or International Monetary Fund, said, "I think Bitcoin will be worth a tiny fraction of what it is now if we're headed out 10 years from now. I would see $100 as being a lot more likely than $100,000. But I wouldn't worry about that prediction too much because that's a decade out from now. So it depends on your time frame. And that's only one person's opinion. The next one is from Spencer Bogart, a venture capitalist, predicting that Bitcoin will trade above $10,000 by the end of 2018. That's another more subdued prediction, but still bullish compared to where we are now. Next one is Anthony Pompliano, predicting that Bitcoin will be trading around $50,000 by the end of this year. Wow. Hey, you never know. It could happen. Anything's possible. Pantera Capital predicted that Bitcoin will reach around $20,000 by the end of this year. John Pfeffer said or predicted that Bitcoin will be trading around $75,000 by the end of this year. And if you think that's bullish, check out what Kay Van Peterson is predicting that Bitcoin can reach $100,000 by the end of this year. Not too bad, right? And finally, Brian Kelly predicting that Bitcoin will trade at $250,000, $250,000 by the end of 2022. Some very bullish predictions. These are all fairly recent, and I like the sound of most of these. Hey, 9 out of 10 bullish. Not too bad. All right, so if you got into Bitcoin at the wrong time, you have to make your own decision on what you're going to do. But personally, I don't believe in selling at the bottom. I don't believe in selling at the wrong time. If anything, for me, it could be a buying opportunity, an opportunity to possibly average down, as long as your position sizes are always reasonable and you're making decisions for yourself. All right, thanks a lot. I hope you appreciate that. And again, feel free to click on my other videos and check them out. Thank you so much. And if you like this channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to it if you want to. I really appreciate that. And leave comments and give it a thumbs up to this video if you like it. All right, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you again soon.